So tell me, how will you optimize any campaigns for Meta ads? So up until now, we have discussed about launching different campaigns in this project. We started with brand awareness campaign, then we launched Facebook page like campaign, traffic campaign, and recently we have also launched the Instagram follower campaign. And we have all of these 4 campaigns listed in this Springtail set account. But now the question is, how will you optimize the campaign? Do you even know what is campaign optimization? Some people think campaign is all about just launching it on Meta and Google Ads interface and then it will perform by itself. However, the campaigns do not perform until you make them perform. So digital marketing is all about launching the campaign, driving performance through the campaign, and then generating results for the clients, for the projects. And you don't generate the results until you know how to optimize the campaign. So let's go through all of these campaigns one by one. Let's get into the worst performing campaign. Now, in total, I'm going to choose the history for the last 4 days, starting from 1st to 4th of this month. And then you can see we have spent around 144 for the traffic campaign, 85 rupees for the awareness campaign, and 112 rupees for the page like campaign. Out of which, in terms of results, it's going to show us the number of clicks for traffic campaign, because for any traffic campaign, the objective is to drive traffic, which means generating clicks. Awareness campaign, we have generated 61,000 reach, which is a very good number. And for the last one, which is a page like campaign, we have generated 22 followers after spending 112 rupees. In fact, we have got a follower at the cost of 5 rupees. Also, we have got awareness for 1,000 people only and only at the cost of 1.39. Very, very cheap. And on the top, you can see we have got a click at the cost of 119 rupee for one single click. But then how about the performance? So if you look at this page like campaign, the performance is totally fine. We have generated 23 clicks after spending 112 amount, and we got a click at the cost of, we got a follower in fact at the cost of 5.27. But then look at the traffic campaign. In purchase column, we are not getting any purchase. So even though the website has generated, or the campaign has generated 121 clicks, yet we have not received any single sale. So this is the worst performing campaign. So first of all, we have to fix this campaign. And additionally, we have to look to improve performance of these other 2 campaigns. So tell me, how will you optimize the campaign, this Meta campaign? So in any campaign, we have 2 different things. One is the ad set. Ad set is the level at which you set up all the audiences or the entire setting of this campaign. And the second, which is the ad level, is the option where you show the perfect copy of the creatives, perfect copy of the products. So let's quickly set up the ad set level first, or optimize the ad set level first. Now, the one thing is to change the performance goal. As of now, we have taken the by default goal of this campaign, which was maximize number of link clicks. But then do we really want link clicks for this campaign? Or we want people to land on the website and then we want them to experience the landing pages. So when you don't get any performance from the link clicks, then you always go with the second option of traffic goal, which is maximize number of landing page views. Now we don't only want clicks to happen, we also want people to go on the landing pages, go on the website, and then we want them to stay on the website, to engage with the website, which is going to happen when you choose maximize number of landing page views. Number one. For cost per result goal, we are not still doing anything. We can do it in the second level of optimization. For dynamic creative, no, yet again, we are not doing anything. However, we have to make some changes in the audience type. So here in the audience type, we started with India, which we have to change to Delhi. In fact, if I try to edit this audiences, I can show you that I have already changed this location targeting from India to Delhi. We were getting per click cost to 1 INR after choosing Delhi, but now, I'm sorry, after choosing India, but now this cost will really change, will really go high when we choose Delhi. Along with Delhi, I can go with Noida and Gurgaon. Whenever you add any locations, then it's gonna show the kilometers as. That's the by default option, but then kilometers is not the right option to show the ads. So you always try to go with the city-based targeting. Noida, somehow Delhi is removed. It happens. I know it's frustrating. Okay, Delhi is added. This is fine. Then we have to add Gurugram as a city. So here we have Gurugram as a city, and then we have to choose it as a city. So now we are going with these three locations. In terms of age range, 18 to 34 is the perfect age range. I also have added an additional behavior. So up until now, we were just using all of these interest for this campaign. But now we know that people who are coming on the website, they're not buying the products. They're not really purchasing the products. So we have to narrow down the audiences. Now we have to show the ads to people who are really going to be interested in buying these products. And how do we do that? So we have a couple of additional ways of targeting our ads. One very interesting way of targeting which people use for e-commerce websites, it's gonna be under behavior. So we have to go in behavior. We have to go into purchase, something over here where it says purchase behavior, and you go with engaged shoppers. Now this option allows you to show the ads to people who are having a behavior to click on the shop now button. These people are actually the frequent buyers that Instagram or Facebook has captured. Now you go with this option, and if you can see, we have narrowed down the audiences, which means now people have to match with both of these categories. So now if you can look at this map, the map that I have right in front of me, over here on the left, we have the interest audience. On the right, we have this behavior audience, which is engaged shopper, and the ads are going to be visible to people who are falling for both these targetings. Then we can simply click on update. Update means the entire audience list is going to get updated. And now we can go to the next section. Done. One more thing. So previously the ads were only showing up. In fact, it was showing up on Facebook and Instagram both. But then I really feel our products, which are these products, can get more conversions, more sales from Instagram as a platform. That's why rather than going with Facebook, I'm only going to choose Instagram as a platform. In terms of placements, everything is totally fine. In terms of showing more options, I'm not going with any other option. In fact, I can also go with choosing iOS users, or else I can also go with choosing people who are going to use the Wi-Fi, which can be options which we will be using after a while, but let's go with the current settings. Then I go to the next level, which is the ad level, the final level of the campaign. Now, until now, we were using this creative. So this is something which we have added in the previous video when we launched this campaign. But I strongly feel that because it's an e-commerce website, because this entire campaign is for an e-commerce website, we shall rather be showing the products into it. And then the question is, how do you show the products? Because I have told you that we can only use creatives for the traffic campaign. Yes, we do use creatives for the traffic campaign. That's what we do most of the time. But we have an option to actually use catalogs. Catalog means, give me 1 second. Catalog means showing the ads to product catalog that we have added in this account. Now, you must be wondering, I have not shown you the product catalog. So let me quickly take you into the product catalog. Catalog means the products which we have added in this Facebook ad account. So I have opened a duplicate page, so I can take you into the product catalog. You have to click on all tools. From all tools, give me 1 second. From all tools, you have to get into Commerce Manager. Within Commerce Manager, we can find our product catalog. So here we have the two product catalogs. I am getting into this Shopify product catalog where we have multiple products added to this Meta Ads account. So here we have somewhere around 32 products in this catalog. So you can see starting with AVR jewels, we have butterfly earrings, we have yellow chimes, and we have a lot of products added to this product catalog. Having the product catalog means rather than showing one single creative in the ad, we can start showing all of these products in the ads. So let's quickly get back into the campaign. Let me show you how do we show all of these products in this ad campaign. So you have to go with this option of catalog rather than going with manual upload. And also we have to choose the available catalog. So we are going to go with Shopify product catalog, and then we have to choose the product sets. Now in product catalog, you also get an option to create different sets. So maybe if you have, let's say 10 products for necklace, if you have 10 products for rings, or maybe 10 products for earrings, you can create 3 different sets. And then in the campaign, you can choose which of the product set you are willing to promote with the campaign. So as of now, we are going with all the products. Perfect. So now you can see the ads are going to look something like this. Okay, I don't have a preview right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, let me just go back to this option. I'm going to make some changes over here. All products, this is fine. And carousel. So basically I wanted to show the ads in the form of a carousel. Carousel means rather than showing one single product on the ad copies, we can show multiple products over here. We can show all these products in one single ad copy. That's what carousel do. You can see it says 2 or more scrollable images or videos. Now we have started with this catalog option, then we have selected carousel, then we have selected Shopify product catalog, and in the end we have selected all products item, this item set. And now it's time when we can finally choose either we show single image or we go with slideshow. I'm going to choose slideshow over here, and here it's the preview. Let me show you the advanced preview. So these previews are available for Instagram feeds. These are the previews for feeds. And if I click on this button, it's going to show the next product. Now I don't have an option to click on this button right now, but in actual preview, multiple ads are going to be shown within the ad. So you can see the 4th Instagram reel. Here the products are switching. You can see these are the 4 products. We can show up to 10 products in one single carousel. Anyways, so I can click on save. And then in headline, cool. Now this is an option where we can set up the headlines and descriptions. Now, how about a case when you want to show the product price within this creative? So you click on this plus button and then you choose the price option. You click on this plus button, you also choose an option that says, let's say, brand name. And then all of these 3 informations will be visible in the ad copies. Okay, I wanted to go with slideshow. This was fine. And if you have anything to add in the primary text, I really want to go with adding the tagline where it says a fast fashion store for instant deliveries. I copy it from here, go back to the campaign and paste it in the primary text. All right. Then I can add a few more cards, which I don't want to add right now. This is something which is going to take more time. Now, I guess we have not added the last thing. Okay, in the call to action button, this is something that appears below the creative. We can go with shop now, we can go with learn more, or we can select additional call to action buttons. Right now it's showing learn more, which we shall never be showing if it's a shopping campaign or if it's a campaign for e-commerce website. So we go with shop now. In the end, we can put the website link. Okay, so now after putting the website link, you must be thinking that the shop now button is going to take them to the website. But because we have added products here, it can really, let me preview this one. So it can really take them on the website. But when we go with product catalog campaign, when people click on these buttons, they also land on the product pages. This is something that we have to check. Now, in terms of deep link destination, no, we don't want to do any kind of listing. Mobile app, we are not using it. Languages, we are not doing it. Tracking is website pixel metapixel code, and everything is fine. Now we can simply publish this campaign. So that's how you can optimize any traffic campaign in the Meta Ads interface. Now, the question is, how can you optimize the remaining campaign? How can you optimize the page like campaign? So let's get into the page like campaign. Even though the campaign is delivering the expected results, we are getting a following at the cost of 5.27, which we wanted to happen in initially, but then we can still optimize the campaign. This time, I'm going to optimize the campaign at the creative level. So you can see this is the creative which we have added in this campaign, and this creative is giving us a page like at the cost of 5 rupees. I still feel this creative is not really making sense. It's not really asking people or attracting people to follow the Facebook page. And that's why I have created another creative for it. This creative is going to be added in the campaign when I can remove the existing one first. So we can click on change media and we can go with the other creative which says follow fashion trends, a fast fashion store, follow us on springtails.in, and then we have the Facebook and Instagram logo. So I think this one is a quite better creative, but then we have to know, like we have to check after putting this creative, we have to launch the campaign, publish the campaign, and then we have to check the data and we have to find out the difference in the page like cost. It's quite possible that this creative can actually generate a page like at a higher cost. There's something which can happen, even though I strongly feel that this will drop down the page like cost from 5 rupees to somewhere around 4 rupees, but it's not really guaranteed. So whenever you make any change, we call it A/B testing. And then after testing, after getting the data, we have to check how much page likes we have generated. To monitor all that information, we have the followers listed on this sheet, on the project sheet. So on Facebook as a platform, we had 135 followers. On Instagram, we had only one follower. On 4th of September, we shall be having more followers. So let me quickly count down the followers and put it on this sheet. So here in Facebook, we currently have around 142 followers. Perfect. So here we have 142 followers. Now, how about people? Okay, how about optimizing the third campaign, which is the awareness campaign? Now, first of all, the objective of any awareness campaign is to generate eyeballs. It's to generate reach. We already have generated around 61,000 reach, and the costing was very, very low. So we don't have anything else to expect from this awareness campaign. We wanted to run it only for the initial days, and now we can pause the awareness campaign. In the next video, we have to check the performance of this Instagram campaign, Insta profile visit campaign, Insta profile, and then visit, and then campaign. Perfect. So now we have 4 campaigns which we have listed in this account. People who want to learn from this training can start doing the exercises, starting with exercise 1, where you have to create banners for these different campaigns. Exercise 2, where you have to launch all of these campaigns one by one. In exercise 3, you guys have to look forward to optimize these campaigns. I shall be seeing you in the next video of this course to launch more campaigns in Meta.